Hello, and this is how to make your fishing floats go through reeds and like rocks and all that in like on a pole float. Right, pole float, quite big. Cut about an inch off with some scissors. Like that. So it's like that. Not that long. Not that good. And then you just trim the sides of it, like. Yeah, so it's like that, just on the end little point. And then just use them hooks, size 18, barbless. Yeah, they're alright. If you use maggots, and this pole, this float, is also for a pole. It's just red tip, and it goes like that on its side, and it's got the weight on the end, and it just goes like that in the water. It's like on a slant like that. It's like that. And with them, I prefer you get a good carping one. They're alright. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Bye. Wait, how did you turn it off again? Let me scroll down. Oh, there.